What's up, guys? How you doing? This is for 5th and 7th grade. I'm going to show you how to fill out a soduko puzzle, which I'm going to post in the last week. See if anybody can earn some bonus points. So the object of soduko is you have 9 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And within those 9 boxes, you have 9 smaller boxes. The object is to fill out each of these little boxes with the numbers 1 through 9 without repeating. So there's 3 rules to Sudoku. One is each little of these 9 boxes has to be filled out with the numbers 1 through 9 without repeating a number. The other rule, second rule, is each column has to be filled out with the numbers 1 through 9 without repeating a number. That's up and down this way. And the last rule is across, the rows have to be filled out with the numbers 1 through 9, again, without repeating. So you can never repeat a number within a box, up and down, or across. So the easiest way to start filling out a Sudoku puzzle is first by looking at boxes and seeing where there's only one space missing. So if we look at this Sudoku puzzle, we can see down here in this right corner box, every number is filled out except for 1. So we could just figure out what's the missing number there. So I got a 1, I got a 2, I got a 3, I got a 4, I got a 5, and I got a 7, 8, and 9. That means the missing number here, and let's put it in with a different color, is a 6. So I know for sure that a 6 is going to go there because every other number in the box is taken. The other thing we can do is now we can look for columns up and down that every single number is filled out except for 1. And again, we can just look at the missing number. So we can see here that this first column, every number is filled out except for the bottom one. So now it's just process of elimination. I've got a 1, I've got a 2, I got a 3, I got a 4, I got a 5, I got a 6, and then I've got an 8 and 9. That means there's no 7 in this column, which means I can write a 7 in there. I can also do the same thing for this column. I've got a 1, I've got a 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so I'm missing a 3. That means in this column here, up and down, in this space, I can write a 3. And then the last thing we can do is we can look for across. Is there any any rows going across that are only missing 1? Well, I only see 1. That's up at the top here. Every number is filled out except for 1 missing one there. So I can see I got a 1, and then I'm missing a 2. I got a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know that a 2 is going to go here. Okay? Now I pretty much have all the easy ones filled out. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a box, let's say, that only has 2 spaces missing. Okay? So here I've got a 1, I'm missing a 2, so I'm going to put a little 2 here. I'm missing a 2 in this box. I got a 3, I got a 4, I got a 5, 6, 7, and a 9. I'm missing an 8. All right, so that means I know that these 2 missing squares, it's either going to be a 2 or an 8. So now the next step is I'm going to say, well, let me see if I can put a 2 here. But you got to remember the 3 rules. All right, there's no 2 in the box. Is there any 2 up and down in the columns that would make it repeating? No, there's no 2s here. What about going across? There's a 2 there. That means I cannot put a 2 here because then that 2 would be repeating. So that means the 2 doesn't go there. That means the 2 has to go here and the 8 has to go there. And now I filled out another box. And basically, that's how you complete the Sudoku puzzle. All right, you go to each box, see if you can fill in the numbers, and make sure that they're never repeating in the box, up and down in the columns, or across in the rows, until you finally fill out the whole entire thing. So I'm going to write, I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm going to write on the contest. Let's see what kind of prize we can come up with, okay? But anyway, that is how you do the Sudoku puzzle. Good luck, you guys. I'll talk to you soon.